house cards and we put them in the Google Classroom, this one was one that was missed a lot, okay? So I could look at that really easy on the spreadsheet and see that this one needs a lot of help, okay? So first I want to work through it real quick, and then we're going to talk about a strategy that you usually see in reading, a summarization strategy. Do you know SWBS? Some wanted but so? No? Okay. So that's a strategy that you see a lot in reading, but we can use it in math. And what it does is it helps us to really understand what the question's asking us, okay? So the question says, the area of a classroom is 750 square feet and the length is 30 feet. What is the perimeter of the classroom, okay? Now, so first off, we need to identify, remember our steps we go through for solving area and perimeter and volume. So first off, we need to identify what they're asking us to find. What are they asking us to find?
The area.
Okay, so they give us the area and they're asking us to find the perimeter, okay? So we have to solve one to get the other, okay? Of what kind of shape? What shape is a classroom usually?
A rectangle.
It's usually a rectangle, right? Because the square, the sides are all the same length and the rectangle is usually squatty.
Yeah.
So when we're doing the area, okay, is BH, right, based on height. All right, now let's plug in our information, which is, I think, step 3 or 4. You ready? So where does 750 go?
A.
Where the A is. Okay. Now that we understand more about how to work the problem, let's think about kind of the summary of what's going on in the problem, okay? You can use the literacy strategy, somebody wanted but so, okay? And the idea is you take those pieces and put them together and you make a statement, okay? So the first one I want to talk about is if we use somebody, we stick that in front of the somebody. Somebody, if we said the area was the somebody, then what? Get my pen. What did the area want? If you look up there, we were going to fill it in. What would we write? The area wanted what?
All the stuff.
Okay. What did it want to be? Here's the number. I mean the problem. Wanted what? What did the area wanted to be? It wanted, let's see, but the area wanted to be 750. Okay, all right, so we put that up under wanted. Okay, so the area wanted to be 750 feet squared, but what was wrong? But what?
The length was 30 feet.
Okay, and what? Very good. But what? What can I write? Very good. But
a length, but there was no height.
But there was no height. Good up there. So what we have so far is the area wanted to be 750 square feet, but there was no height. Okay? So what? What did we do?
So we did A equals B.
Okay, so use a formula. And we did what? Okay, well actually we divided, right? We did the inverse operation. Okay, so we divided to find
The area.
Actually we're looking for the height, right? Height. Okay. All right, they're gonna put that up. It's frozen? Yeah. Okay, turn it down. All right, so what we have here. Okay, good. So if we were gonna hook that together, it would sound like the area wanted to be 750 square feet, but there was no height, so we divided to find the height. Okay? Now, what if we did it a different way? What if I gave you, what if I gave you a wanted? If I said wanted to be found, You put that up under wanted. So now, let's think of a somebody. So the area wanted to be 750 square feet, but there was no height. So we divided to find the height. The perimeter wanted to be found, but first the width had to be found. So we used our info on area to get to perimeter. So the classroom wanted to find the perimeter, but you have to find the width to find the perimeter. So we found the width by dividing, then add all the sides, okay? So that hopefully is giving you a better understanding of what they're asking for in the problem, because on this, they give you some stuff and then they're asking you for other stuff, okay?